What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I want to share with you guys one more product. Today we have here Maono wireless microphone system. Now this wireless microphone system goes for around $99. Exact model we have here, Maono WM820. I've been testing this wireless microphone system for almost 2 weeks right now. I also use this microphone in one of my review video. I'll leave a link in the video's description. Now today real quick I want to do a quick unboxing for you guys, show you guys what this Maono WM820 comes with and what are you actually getting for $99. Now I also want to give you guys quick specs rundown, and then I'll do the unboxing, and then I'll do the sound test for you guys. So let me just give you guys quick specs rundown. Now, transmission range up to 50 meter, okay? Automatic pairing, that's cool. Built-in antenna, zero latency monitorable receiver, built-in omnidirectional microphone, support external lavalier mic, output volume controllable, mute controllable. All right, so it does come with a external lavalier mic also. Now you guys already know I don't really use wireless microphone for any of my videos. I use wired lavalier microphone, and works perfect for me, as you guys can hear right now. Now I forgot the brand name for the one I'm using right now, but I'll try to find and leave a link in the video's description also if you guys you know, like the way this one sounds, the lavalier microphone I'm using. If you fully charge this microphone, you will get around 6 hours battery life. I think it takes about 2 hours to fully charge this microphone. I did get to test this microphone for 1.5 hours, so I really didn't get to push 6 hours, but we'll see because I did put everything back in the box. So let me show you guys real quick. So here we have the receiver and the transmitter. All right, so let me pull both of these out so you guys can see. All right, so here we have the receiver, as you guys can see. Does have a built-in omnidirectional microphone here, and then we also have a microphone port right here, so you can use like external lavalier microphone or any other external microphone. Okay, and on this side we have power button, mute button, and the pairing button here, and then it does come with a USB-C. Okay, and we also have 2 LED indicator here. All right, and let's look at the transmitter. Okay, the transmitter have a 3.5 port right here. Okay, one for the headphone and one goes to the camera or your smartphone. And then on the other side we have the power button, and then volume plus and minus button here, and then USB type C. And both of these I know receiver and the transmitter also comes with a belt clip or you know, clip. You know, maybe you can just clip it on your t-shirt or your shirt. Okay, or maybe you can just clip this to your belt and then use a lavalier microphone. The build quality is pretty solid, obviously plastic, and this thing not too heavy. Yeah, not too heavy, really light. Does come with 2 USB-C cable, so you can charge both of these receiver and the transmitter. That's really cool. Also we have a cable here for the camera, and we have one more cable for smartphone. And here we have the lavalier microphone. We'll test. And we have here 2 dead cat. Okay, so if you're using this microphone outside, you can use this dead cat. Okay, and yeah, that's really cool. And obviously you don't need that. And they also included a nice pouch, as you guys can see, so you can carry microphone and the receiver. So let me see, something like that. Maybe I can just throw the cable in there too. Cool. All right, so now let me plug this microphone system to my Sony ZV-E10, and then we'll test the microphone, the receiver by itself without the lavalier mic, and then we'll also test this receiver with the lavalier mic. So let's jump in. Alright guys, so I just plugged the Maono WM820 wireless microphone system to my Sony ZV-E10. And right now I'm using this microphone without the lavalier microphone. I just wanted to show you guys how this microphone perform without the lavalier microphone. And you guys can hear me right now. This is Sunny. I run Tech2NoLife YouTube channel and I make tech related content. So you guys can hear how well my WM820 microphone, works. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, check 1 2 3, check 1 2 3. I personally think this microphone is pretty good for maybe blogging or this type of video, talking head videos. So yeah, now let me plug the lavalier microphone and let's test again. Alright guys, so currently I have Maono lavalier microphone plugged into the receiver, and you guys are hearing my voice right now with the lavalier microphone. You guys can see the receiver here. Now you guys let me know, what do you guys think? Do you think the lavalier microphone sound better than the built-in microphone the receiver comes with? So I don't know. I did test this microphone before without the lavalier microphone, and right now for the first time I'm testing with the lavalier microphone. But I personally think if you are doing like blog and stuff, I think better if you use the lavalier microphone, so you can just clip this receiver to your pant or belt or put in your pocket. I don't know. Alright guys, that should be it. Let me know what do you guys think. For $99, I think Maono WM820 wireless microphone system is pretty good. That should be it. See you guys next one. Peace.